Today I'd like to show you one of our fantastic tools in our Naviate Pipe module, Curve Pipe. You can see in this scenario that we have a sanitary sewer line, PVC, that's crossing one of our storm inlets. Typically we'd have to maybe move this manhole down, but I'd actually like to use our deflection angle by using the Naviate Curve Pipe feature to come through and actually be able to put the curve onto my PVC system. Here we can come in and then adjust the curve down to a larger radius so we can bypass our storm system altogether. Notice here that it maintains our start and invert elevations and our slopes. If we wanted to come through and modify our invert elevations, they still continue to act like a gravity system. If we look in our pipe properties dialog box, you can see that it will maintain all of the start and end structures, connections, and pipe rules that are associated with that gravity pipe system. If we had any type of hydraulic grade lines associated with this system, they would also be maintained. And they also model in storm sewers and sanitary and storm analysis. You have a great day, and remember, Naviate Pipe.